Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? Just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Happy Hanukkah and the whole nine. But it's Christmas, and I wanted to bring you guys a video. As you can see right now, it is December 25th. I hope you guys can see that. December 25th is Christmas, and I got an unboxing for you guys. So right here we have something that I wanted for a pretty long time, and I finally got it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and you guys can see firsthand what I got, Biker Tony got for Christmas. All right, so here we are, the unboxing, and let's go. All right, there we go. Alright. Okay, perfect. So now, let's get some type of... Do I have a knife? Nope. I'll just go old school and get the edges on this bad boy. Alright. Damn, we got another package? Put that out the way. Here it is. Here she go. Oh wow, there we go. We got the Dragy, Dragy. I wanted this for a long time, and wow, I'm just so happy. So let's have an unboxing. Let's unbox this bad boy and let's see. All right, how we do this? Okay. All right. Wow, my first impression of the Dragy is priceless. Wow, it's nice. We have the 3M sticky tab. We have two of them. We have a charging. We have the charging right there. Hope you guys can see that. We have the charging right there. We have the two sticky pads, and we have the Dragy here. I'm excited. Wow, look at it. Oh wow, Dragy. So if you don't have one, pick one up. I'll put a link in the description. Make sure you guys get a Dragy.